One and all, this is Pawan Kalyan once again. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share my thoughts about what are the freelancing opportunities in the field of digital marketing. If we take any type of business or any type of job, there are so many freelancing opportunities out there to replace these type of jobs. Uh, in particular, today I'm going to explain the digital marketing freelancer opportunities. Why? Because when compared to most of the jobs or businesses, there are so many opportunities are there in digital marketing. If a person who is trained or training in this field of digital marketing, after the completion of his training, he or she will be able to join in so many types of freelancing jobs, or can start their own freelancing businesses on their own. What is this freelancing opportunities? The freelancing job is a thing that makes a person can take his decision on himself, and he will work on himself, because he is the person who started his own company on his own. He is able to take his own decisions and cannot hold for time and wait for the decisions made by the top of the organization, because in this freelancing thing, the person who starts the job is the boss of his own and can make his own decisions. There are so many types of freelancing opportunities in digital marketing itself. They are marketing strategy, public relations, sales, marketing automation, search engine marketing, search engine optimization, social media marketing, market research, lead generation, email marketing, digital marketing, content strategy, community management, campaign management. In these freelancing opportunities, most of the opportunities you have been heard in before my videos, so don't worry about these things, because I'm going to explain each and everything about this digital marketing freelancing opportunities. First of all, going straight into the marketing strategy. For every job, there are some particular things that includes how to do this job, and what are the terms that are included in doing a particular job. Like that, in this marketing strategy, there are some terms that includes in this marketing strategy to make this marketing strategy a very good and simple thing for a digital marketing person. The terms that included in this marketing strategy are influence marketing, content marketing, direct marketing, email marketing, event marketing, offline marketing, public relations, search engine optimization, search engine marketing, and search social media marketing. What is influence marketing? Influence. This is a very main and important term in this digital marketing things. If a person who own a company on his own, he has to influence the people to join his company, to join his services, to if a person who wants to join his company or organization, he is the one who influenced them to join his or her company on his own. That is influence marketing. Content marketing, as we all know, this content marketing, creating article, images, videos about the product or services what we are going to give to our customers, or are going to get by the employees who are going to join in our organization. Direct marketing, this is a new thing that I'm going to explain in brief. Direct marketing is a marketing in which company selects a person who is a pre-selected customer. From him, that is a pre-selected customer only, the marketing is going on. Because why? Because the company head will not go to each and every customer and ask him, come and buy my product, or come and see my services, how my services are. So he selects a person to interact directly with the customers, and this is called as direct marketing. Email marketing, we all know about this email marketing, so I am finishing this in a brief. Email marketing is a marketing in which the marketing is done through the contacts in the mail list that we are getting through the landing page, or so many types of ways in email marketing. Event marketing, this is the new one in the marketing strategy. Event marketing, what is what is called event means creating a place, creating a opportunity to make our product or services known by the others. For example, event marketing is popular example for event marketing is a press conference. If you are a new business person or you are starting a new company on your own, most of the people will follow you, so that's why we will conduct a press conference and address the people through media to attract them to join in our organization. Offline marketing, offline marketing is a thing in which the marketing is done through offline itself. Offline means the person will directly go in contact with the person and ask him to come and join in our organization. Public relations, this is the main thing in any business, to maintain relation with the public. To maintain this type of relations, what a person or what a organization has to do means uh, rapidly giving announcements through their social media websites or through the media channels or press releases. And there are the three terms, those are search engine optimization, search engine marketing, and social media marketing are the previous terms which I have explained in my previous videos. Moving on to the next topic, that is public relations. Yes, this is the term we have been uh, explained in the previous topic, that is market strategy. Public relations, yes, this is the main thing in which we have to focus on. As the market strategy has some terms to follow, like that public strategy also some terms to follow. The terms in which the public relation content included are content writing, community relations, corporate social responsibility, crisis management, employee relations, event planning, market research, media pitches, media relations, press distributions, press releases, public affairs, and social media marketing. So many terms in this public relations have been explained by me in my before video. So if you want the explanation about some of these terms, please verify my previous videos and get what you want also. In this public relations, I'm only explaining about the new topics. I am explaining only new topics. Okay, first of all, uh, market research. What is a market research? Market research means in our daily life there are so many things that are updating in our market. So we need to search in the market what type of products are attracting the customers to make them buy or purchase or make them to visit their website. This is called market research. Media pitches. Media pitches is a thing in which we are going to release a press note in addressing the people who are our customers, are going to be our customers. Media relations, yes, this is the very important thing. We have to maintain some relations with the media by updating each and everything and each and every event we are doing in our organization or company, which makes the media to publish a good content of information related to our organization. And these public affairs press releases are the same things that comes under the press distributions. Going on to the next topic, that is sales. Most of the business organizations attract customers or people for this purpose only, that is sales. These sales have also some terms to be maintained. Those are competitive analysis, that is we need to analyze our place in the market, basing on the topmost companies in the market who are providing the same opportunities or services to the people, so that we can implement, so that we can update or we can improve our services and provide to provide the customers. Business planning strategy, lead generation, negotiation, partnership development, relationship management, sales development, sales management, telemarketing. A very good content is going to be here by you in this sales topic. A business planning strategy, that is so many people so many persons are getting into this business stuff without any planning. So first of all, we need some business plan, after 5 years, what my organization used to be on, used to be after 10 years, what my organization used to be. So that is the planning strategy for a person who is starting a own freelancing job. Lead generation, this is the most important thing for any business organization, to get customers, and may to get customers. Uh, in previous video I have said that lead generation, this lead generation is done through the funnel process. What is this funnel process? In my previous video you can search for this funnel process. Negotiation, yes, negotiation is a good thing, in which if we introduced a product in the market, the product is not liked by most of the customers, but we need not to stop the production of the product, but what we need to do means to modify the product, and release the product into the market, by changing according to the views of the customers. So we need to negotiate with the organization which can implement these type of ideas. Partnership development, most of the startup businesses are based on this partnership. How much the partnership grows, that much of our loss or profit can be shared among ourselves. So that is the key point in all the business development process. Relationship management, yes, this is one of the key point in business management, that is to maintain relationships with the customers or with the partners that uh, who who given their who given their hand in establishing our company, and in particular with the customers itself. Sales, this is the important thing. If the business if the growth of the business is mainly depends on this sales thing. Sales development, we need to develop the sales by adding more number of customers, and attracting more number of leads through this funnel process. Sales management, we need to manage the sales. If the sale of a product is not up to the mark, we need to change the product description, or product the features of the product, so that we can attract more number of customers to purchase the product. Telemarketing, that telemarketing is one thing through which the product marketing can be done through the telephones, like customer cares. Going on to the next topic, that is marketing automation. The following are the terms to be considered in this field. They are advertising and promotion and analytics, branding, content marketing, CRM, email marketing, lead generation, loyalty marketing, market research, messenger marketing, omni-channel marketing, operations and workflow, pricing, sale management, search engine optimization, social media marketing. Marketing automation means the marketing is done automatically. That means by using the digital equipment, we can do this advertising, by advertising and promoting our product. Analytics, analyzing how many people are searching for the product, how many people are clicking our product, and how many people are purchasing our product. Maintaining the brand quality, and content marketing, in day-to-day life, the content should be updated according to the views of uh, our customers. Email marketing, sending mails to our customers, to make them aware of the products and upcoming products. Lead generation, creating number of customers to make this happen. Loyalty marketing, be loyal to your customers, so that increases your marketing market research, research in your day-to-day life. What is the new things that is interested and searched by the customers itself. Omni-channel marketing, this is a single channel marketing through which communication is done through in a single way, but not in a two-way. Messenger marketing, placing our ads in messenger apps like that. Operations and workflow, this is the main thing in which we need to see how this marketing automation is going on. Pricing, based on the pricing also the sales are sales depends, so we need to maintain a proper pricing to the proper products. Sale management, we need to manage the sales. So sale, we need to manage the sales by attracting a more number of leads into our organization. Search engine optimization and social media marketing. Coming to the next topic, that is the search engine marketing, SEM. The following are the terms that are included in this search engine marketing, that is PPC, campaign setup and management, audit, copywriting, competitive analysis, budgeting and forecasting, tracking and analysis, search engine marketing strategy, A/B testing, audience targeting, build lookalike audiences, campaign optimization, campaign reporting, campaign setup, marketing API integration, pixel setup and optimization, product catalog setup and optimization, retargeting and SEM keyword research. Coming to the next topic, that is the search engine optimization. The following are the terms that are included in this search engine optimization. They are on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO, content SEO, backlinking and outreach, competitive analysis, conversion rate optimization, performance monitoring, SEO audit, SEO keyword research, SEO strategy, setup and configuration. Coming to the next topic, that is social media marketing. If a person who is interested in social media marketing, freelance a job, he or she should uh, come across these terms. Those are social media management, Facebook advertising, influencer advertising, social media account setup, social media advertising, social media content creation, social media marketing strategy, copywriting, tracking and analytics, audience research, campaign management, campaign setup, community management, graphic design and messenger marketing. Coming to the next topic, that is the marketing research. The following are the terms to be considered in this market research are brand research, competitive analysis, advertising research, audience targeting, communications development and testing, concept development and testing, customer experience and shopper insights, customer research and insights, data analytics, design and usability research, market analytics, market segment research, new product innovation, price research, satisfaction research and tracking studies. Coming to the next, that is lead generation. The terms that to be considered in this lead generation are appointment setting, data cleansing, data entry, data mining, data scraping, email marketing, lead generation analysis, lead generation content creation, lead generation strategy, lead nurturing, list building, market research, sales development, social media lead generation and telemarketing. Coming to the email marketing, these are the terms that should be followed in email marketing freelance opportunities. Those are copywriting, tracking and analytics, audience segmentation and targeting, campaign management, email campaign setup, email marketing strategy, email template design, email template development, lead generation, lead nurturing, marketing automation and messenger marketing automation. Coming to this digital marketing freelancing job, this freelance job consists of the terms that should be considered are social media management, influencer marketing, social media advertising, content marketing, email marketing, paid media, search engine marketing and search engine optimization. Coming to the content strategy, analytics, content audit, content creation, content distribution and promotion, content guidelines, content management, content planning, market research, market management, research and strategy, search engine optimization. These are the terms that should be followed while doing this content strategy freelancing job. Coming to this community management, social media management, copywriting, community engagement, community moderation, community strategy, content creation, customer engagement, customer support, event planning and industry research. These are the terms that should be followed while doing this community management freelancing job. coming to this campaign management, social media management, influencer marketing, social media advertising, affiliate marketing, content marketing, email marketing, paid media, and PPC marketing. These terms should be considered if you are going to do the freelancing job on campaign management. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Keep subscribing to my channel and like, share my videos of subscribe my channel for getting more videos and like my video. Thank you.